Hello children, welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos, I have done about the nutrition, 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions and 6 marks questions. Now this part is dealing with the objectives, previous year's objectives. The red ones are the questions and the black ones are the answers. So let me see. Delay in healing of wounds, fractures of bones are due to the deficiency of ascorbic acid. It is the ascorbic acid which is responsible in delaying the wounds. In delaying the wounds means fractures, wounds, that healing of that wounds or fractured bones. It is because of the deficiency. If this ascorbic acid is not properly maintained in the body, then definitely they take a lot of time for the uh, uh, wounds healing. Second one, the chemical used in the experiment to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. That is potassium hydroxide. You know that potassium hydroxide is used in the bottle which absorbs the carbon dioxide. So it is potassium hydroxide. Next one, chlorophyll is to magnesium, hemoglobin is to dash. Means what? You know, you have done a photosynthesis process in which chlorophyll molecule, chlorophyll pigment contains magnesium molecule in it. Similarly, which is very, very essential for the photosynthetic process to take place. Similarly, hemoglobin should contain iron. Then only the absorption of the oxygen, combustion process, and the respiratory process, energy releasing process, everything is possible. That is why if one feels very weak, they said blood is less and they give iron tablets, because iron is the one which converts hemoglobin to oxyhemoglobin, so that it will provide energy to the individual after digesting the food. Fourth one, chemical used to remove chlorophyll from the leaf experiment. You know that an experiment we have studied about where the leaf, to test whether starch is present or not, first the leaf has to be washed and dipped in, means kept in water bath containing ethanol or methylated spirit. This is the chemical. So that in this water bath, on heating it in water bath, the green color leaf becomes pale in color. So that has become pale in color because chlorophyll is removed from the leaf. Okay. Next, fifth one, root-like structures in cascata that penetrates the tissue of the host plant to absorb food. I have even explained it with the figure, children. So that is nothing but Hostoria. Next, sixth one, match the following and identify the answer. We have got on the A side thiamine, citric acid, retinol, and on the other side scurvy, night blindness, beriberi. So these are the three, what you can say, components. Thiamine, citric acid, retinol are the components that are present in us in the body, which are responsible, or the deficiency of which are responsible scurvy, night blindness, beriberi. So A, thiamine, is the deficiency of thiamine causes beriberi disease. B, citric acid deficiency causes scurvy disease. Retinol causes night blindness. Find the odd one different from the other three: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, pyrethroids. So carbohydrates, fats and proteins belong to the same category, children, means in the digestion process. Pyrethroids is something totally different. Then iodine test is used to confirm the presence of carbohydrates or starch. Anything you can write. Glossitis is a disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B2. Find the missing product in the equation. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives CH2O plus CH2O plus water. This dash is water. Deficiency of folic acid causes anemia, bloodlessness. 12th one. For testing starch in the leaf, instead of iodine, we can use betadine solution. Okay, betadine solution is also useful for it. Next. Identify which pair mismatched. Protein, amino acids, carbohydrates, glucose, fats, starch, glucose, starch. Fats and starch is not a match, it is a mismatch. Then identify the mismatched pair. Haustoria cascata, testosterone ovary, granum chloroplast, epiglottis and mouth. Testosterone and ovary, this is not testosterone is a hormone, that is male hormone, ovary is female. So this is not a match one. Next, 15th one. Choose the correct statement about photosynthesis. Conversion of light energy to heat energy, conversion of light energy to chemical energy, conversion of light energy to electrical energy, conversion of heat energy to chemical energy. So which is one? B is correct. Conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Sunlight is converting or generating glucose. So glucose is a compound that is formed. So it is chemical energy. Conversion of BBT. It is the conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Next, 16th. The acid present in the gastric juice. In the stomach, hydrochloric acid. Which chemical is kept in the glass bottle in the experiment to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis? Again, it's a repetition question, children. The chemical is nothing but potassium hydroxide. Identify the correct statement from the following. Amoeba is a saprophyte. Cascata is an autotrophic plant. Paramecium shows holozoic nutrition. Hydrilla is a parasite plant. Identify the correct statement. So paramecium is a holozoic. Holozoic means lots of space inside it. So paramecium is a holozoic one. Now 19th one. Match the following and identify the correct option. What is that? Let us see. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. Ascorbic acid, tocopherol, retinol, calciferol. So the first one, vitamin A, is retinol. Second one, vitamin C, is ascorbic acid. Vitamin D is calciferol. Vitamin E is tocopherol. These are the answers for this bit, children. Then you have one more question. Match the following and identify the correct option. Joseph Priestley, John Ingenhouse, Engelman, and Pelleter Caventa. So A is the first one is for C. That is Joseph Priestley. What experiment he has done? Plants release gas, which is essential for the survival of living organisms. Priestley's experiment, Bell-jar experiment, remember children, in that it is there. Then second one, A. Plants release oxygen in the presence of light. That is the proof that this scientist has given. And the third one, detected the point of maximum rate of photosynthesis, where the maximum, at which time the maximum rate of photosynthesis takes place, is identified by Indian man. And fourth one, chlorophyll, green colored substance. So Caventer and Pelletier, these both scientists have talked about chlorophyll, which is green colored pigment. So with this, the first chapter is completed, children. We will see the second chapter in the next video.